Namaste everyone. Today I am before you with the present perfect continuous tense. Today we will be discussing the examples, the structures, the main verb, the helping verb, and finally we will understand the six type of sentences as we have been understanding in the previous types of sentences of present tense. So let's have the first example. She has been eating since 7 p.m. So here you can observe I have bifurcated everything. Here you can see she is the subject, has been is the helping verb, eating is the main verb, since is the time qualifier, and 7 p.m. is the time. Now, after this basic example, we are coming to the all six type of sentences that will give you the hint how to frame the sentences of the present perfect continuous tense. Now you will be asking why it is present perfect continuous. So here I can make you clear that in this present perfect, it means in the present time some work is completed, some work is perfect, but still that work is continued. That's why this tense is called present perfect but continuous. Means still the work is going on. So let's see the example. She has been eating since 7 p.m. Means at present she is still eating and she had already started from 7 p.m. in the evening and she is still eating. That's why when she started at 7 p.m. till from the 7 p.m. to till present, she could have understood, she could have read something, or if it is written she has been eating since 7 p.m. means she started eating at 7 p.m. and still she is eating. So some part of eating is complete and some part of eating is still going on to be completed. So in this way we can understand the structure of these sentences also. And what will be the structure? We know the structure of this tense. Subject plus has have plus been plus before plus since or for plus time. This was for the affirmative. Now we are coming to the negative. Here you can see the negative example. She has not been eating since 7 p.m. So in this sentence we can see subject plus has not or have not plus been plus before plus since or for plus time. Now we are coming to the interrogative sentence. Here has or have plus subject plus been plus before, that is eating, plus since or for plus time and question mark at the last. Now we are coming to the type number 4 and this is interrogative negative. So has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus before, that is v1 plus ing, you know already, plus since or for plus 7 p.m. that is the time. So plus time. Now coming to the second last, that is WH sentence. So WH word plus has or have plus subject plus been plus before plus since or for plus time and question mark. The last one but not the least, WH negative. So WH plus has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus before plus since or for plus time and question mark. So in this way you can understand. Now if you have understood this example, 6 type example, there I have taken the one common subject, that is she. Now in this slide I am requesting you now make all 6 type sentences with the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it, name and names. So these all you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 subjects I have given you. So with the help of 9 subjects, if you make the 6 type of sentences, so 9 into 6 is equal to 54 type of sentences you can easily make. And once you make the 54 type of sentences, God's grace, you will be very good at understanding at the framing of the types of sentences. Then after writing those all 6 type of sentences, now I have requested you according to the previous example of 6 sentences. There I have told you she has been eating since 7 p.m. So this was the sentence. With the help of or taking that sentence as a model, you can write the structure of each sentence. So there are only 6 sentences and I have told you the structure also. So please listen carefully and write the structures. That will help you to make any type of sentences according to your choice. So with these words, this explanation ends here. Thank you for watching. Thanks.